Hello, this is Woori Mobile and today I will guide you how to register a postpaid plan online just using your phones. So let's get started. So before we get started, I will let you know what is a URL link. So it is a link that we will provide you to register the package online. So you don't need to visit our store. You can stay at home and register the package, and then we will send the SIM card to your house. So the first step, let's go. Okay, so we go to the first step. The first step will be verification or authentication with your number. So at the first, you need to choose a number porting. It means that you keep the same number and transfer to our service. You don't need to check the plan because the link we send you is the right plan. And also, you need to choose the foreigner. It's important because if you don't choose foreigner and you choose Korean, we cannot process that. So double check that you choose the foreigner when cooking. And then input your name must be owned in capital. Owned in capital like an exact order like your AIC card without an hyphen. And then your AIC card number. And now you choose the one of the verification method. It means one of the certificate like PASS certificate, NAVER certificate, TOS certificate, and your credit card and your bank certificate. In here we choose the PASS certificate because it's the easiest one to do. Okay. Okay, verify on the PASS. And after all the process done, you can go to the second step. Okay, go to the next step. Okay, step 2, you need to input the SIM card information and your AIC card information. So in here, if you don't have a SIM card, just choose that you don't have a SIM card, and then you input the required information like your nationality, your passport number, okay, your expiry date of your AIC card, and your phone number also, because you don't have a SIM card and we will need to send out the SIM card to your address. So that's why you also need to input your address in Korean as well. Okay, and then verify your AIC card with your date of issue. Okay, when all is done, you can go to click on the next to move the next step. Okay, so step 3 and step 4 will be a little bit easier. So step 3, you need to input the previous provider, which means the one that you're using at the moment before you transfer to our service. So you need to choose the right provider company. You don't need to worry about this one because at first we will double check for you and also give you information. So all you need to follow the guide we send you, choose the right provider, and also need to input your phone number in the right way. So just in case you cannot choose the right provider and there's too much name that you can rely in Korea, it's okay, you can choose any of them, but your number must be the right one. Double check your number, please. Now is step 4. Step 4 is just like additional service, so you just need to skip this one. Okay. Okay, so this is the last one, payment information. Because this is a postpaid plan and it needs to link with your bank account, so this is a step that you will input your bank account information. Okay, so first you need to choose a method of receiving the monthly bill via your SMS, via your email, or via post. So usually SMS will be the most convenient one. And then you have 2 options to choose. One is automatically transfer via your bank account, and the other one is via your bank card. If you choose the bank account methods, you need to choose the bank name and then bank account number on the bank book you have, and also bank card. If you choose the bank card, you need to choose a credit card or debit card, and then the bank card number, and so also you need to input the expiry date of the bank card. And then you need to check at the green box. It means that you must check if the account available to use. So it show up 성공, it means success. You can use that one. And when all the process is done, the black button will show up. It means that you can click here to complete the order. And that's all done now. Okay, so that's all done now. So after all the process is done, you should let us know and then we will do the rest for you. And then your SIM card will be sent to your address and we will let you know. That's all. Thank you for watching.